SeaWorld Orlando actually has a lot of perks for pass holders. This month alone, they gave us $10 Seabucks to spend at the parks per pass, and then they gave us an additional $10, as well as a free cup, which I know brought long lines, and they did have free dolphin up close tour, which I know filled up fast. But the Seabucks is the easiest perk that you can just go into the self-service kiosk and it'll print out your cards. So I'm going to share some of the other perks too, like with the gold pass, you get that preferred parking. It's only a couple extra dollars a month, and you can park so much closer to the front. That front entrance is just right there. So with the four of us and my mom and stepdad and our family, we did have usually 6 Seabucks, so that'd be $60, but with the bonus Seabucks this week, we had $120 to spend at the park. So we're going to show you today some of the things that you can buy with your Seabucks. Some places let you stack them and some places don't, but we're going to show you quite a variety of things that you can spend at the park. This video will also give some ideas for some cheap souvenirs or cheaper gifts if you want to bring something home with you. Like for these cups, they are personalized, it's $15, and you get the 20% off with your pass, or even higher with the Platinum Pass. The one thing I was hoping for was here, that Cookie Monster Loungefly. Okay, so I'm gonna see if they will let me use these for the discount. Let's see if we can use that. I've seen multiple people say that they are allowed to use multiple. I paid $7.08. It was originally a $90 bag. I used a 20% off from my annual pass, and I used $60 from our Seabucks. This is why we love SeaWorld, because there's so many perks and just the Seabucks are awesome. Do you love your new bag, Pumpkin?
I love it.
All right, let's go. Let's open it. Hats would be a great one to purchase, or little knickknacks. Some of the cups, mugs, ornaments. We're gonna go get some treats and see what else we can buy with our Seabucks money. There's this stuff in here that we can use. They have some little treats we could do. We can get a couple of things in here. They do have candy, but I think the stuff in the case are fun too.
I got this.
So we got some sugar, some sour octopus,
And I kind of like this one better.
You actually like those better? So it was only $3 after the Seabucks that we used, the one Seabucks. So we have a few left. We're gonna go check out the Build-A-Bear, see how much that runs, see what else we can get with our Seabucks. So next to the flamingos is a Build-A-Bear. Let's see what the prices run there. See what else we can find. I think because this is in a theme park, the Build-A-Bears are a little bit more. They're $40 for the stuffed animals, and then of course you can dress them for an additional cost. And for pass holders, you did get 20% off. They have little SeaWorld rescue outfits.
I like these over here.
These are cute. Like that one? How much is that one? Okay, 17. We get 10% off or 20% off, and then the Seabucks. Awesome. They have a little scuba set. Really cute. Like the fairy dress and the little Hawaiian shirt. And there's this little shark shirt and hat too. So it was only $4 after the Seabucks, which isn't bad. Basically, if you want discounted like clothes and stuff for your Build-A-Bear, it's another option. So they do have 99-cent refills for ices. We're not going to use our Seabucks for that because that would be silly. But we're going to get some of the refills. We're going to stop in here and enjoy the ices, only 99-cent refills. So it's $1.90 with our discount. But we did not use Seabucks. We still have a few left. You see them all? They're so cute.
You look creepy. Is that their mouth?
Yeah, that's how they breathe, their gills and their mouth. Yep. You see him, Bob?
If you look this way, that's his face.
Yeah.
Oh, he's talking.
It almost didn't look real for a second.
That's for real, alright.
Yeah.
Look at that one too, they're huge.
Look, stingray! Look, stingray!
Lady sea giant.
I thought they were dead.
Oh yeah, it's hard to see.
Yeah, they blend right into the
Yeah, it is.
They do.
I think they're chameleon ones.
So they can protect themselves.
Look! Hi!
Seabucks to get something to eat. We've already showed the dining plan and the benefits, so I will link that below if you want to see, but we're not going to eat a ton of food today, so. In that dining plan video, we show all the quick service locations. This just happens to be our favorite one because we do like the ribs, the brisket, and the rotisserie chicken. Alright, so the rest of the discount, we used all the rest of our Seabucks, and it was $20 for this, for all this food. Not bad. We spent it pretty well today. Lots of fun and great prices, great benefits. Even though we are out of our own Seabucks, we're going to go around the park and show some other ideas to spend them. Last trip, we actually spent some of our Seabucks feeding the sharks. Right outside of this exhibit, you can spend $10, I think, for 3 trays of food. The food booths do take the Seabucks as well. It was $12 for the mac and cheese. I think next trip we come, we're actually going to sample some of these. These are $20, so you could use 2 Seabucks. Okay, let's see, they have some other plush over here. They got little pens. Some of the Sesame Street plush are a little bit expensive. Like hats and little books would be a cute idea. I'm not sure how much these light up ones. I think they're about 20. I like the little, I like the flip flops. These are 14. And these little guys, these are 20 for 18. These are 13. So sunglasses you could get too with your Seabucks. It's cute. 2 for 20. This is the shop right by the dolphin nursery, but these are some great gift ideas, cheap gift ideas, or something that you can use with your Seabucks. They were $10 for the buttons and $10 for the patches, $15 for the keychains, and some of the pens ran between $10 to $12. And $10 for those. Oh, I like these. Look at those. These are cute, just like that. I love that. 13 each. 13. Totally jawsome. These are 20. These little cups are 17. 25. Also a fun fact, if you talk to some of these SeaWorld workers, you actually can get some of the animal cards, just a little freebie. I've only heard of one of the nicer restaurants that only let you use 1 Seabuck per transaction, but everywhere I went to today that I used multiple, I didn't have any issues stacking them. This, of course, could change in the future, but honestly right now it's really been a blessing just for us to enjoy our family time together and take advantage of all the perks here. Stay tuned for more SeaWorld vlogs as we try to come here at least once a month and we try to show anything fun, new, exciting, and of course, try to score some great deals. And a big thank you to Maddie for helping support our channel. Please check out our Patreon link in the description. Any support helps us keep going and do what we love.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos. Go and subscribe. And subscribe.